we are on graphing overview number 1, page 311, 57. So we have to determine whether these are functions or not functions. So remember, when we're talking about functions, every time I plug in an x, I should get one y. For every x, there's one y. So 2, 6, 10, 7, they don't repeat. This is a function. -5, 2, -3, 2, this repeats. This is not a function. -4, -2, 1, -4, this repeats. It's not a function. 2, 5, 7, 10. These do not repeat. This is a function. Number 54. 54, I give you 8/9. Sorry. 54, I give you 2 plus y over 5 equals 10/3. So in order to solve this proportion, we're going to multiply both sides by 5 and 3, 5 and 3. Or we can cross multiply, doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 3. This would be 6 plus 3y equals, the 3 goes away and this would be 50. Minus 6, 3y equals 44, divide by 3. 44 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 once. 3 goes into 14 4 times, which is 12. 2 left over. 3 goes into 26. So that's close enough. 14.6. Page 314, 23. So we have to go ahead and solve this problem, and then we have to graph it. So I have absolute value, 3h plus 1 over 2 less than 8. So if I have less than 8, I need to put the same sign and put -8. My bars go away. Multiply everything by 2. Since this is one big division line, I only do it once in the middle. -16 less than 3h plus 1 less than 16. Minus 1 to all sides. -17. Divide everything by 3. This would be, if I divide this, it would be around -5.6. This would be 5. So now we need to go ahead and graph this. Here's 0. Here's 5. Open circle at 5 because there's no line underneath. H is less than 5. Less than means to the left. H is greater than. Here's -5.6. Greater than goes to the right, so it's in the middle, so they connect. Page 277, number 2. A popular pizza parlor charges $12 for a large pizza plus $1.50 for each additional topping. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the total cost of a pizza with T toppings. So I know that my toppings is my variable, because that's what I'm solving for. T would have to be connected to my 150. So I know that it would be 150T, and I paid $12 right off the bat. So this would be 12 plus $1.50T. Here's 12 plus $1.50T. C would be the correct answer. Page 145, 21. They give me 5x minus 3y equals 9, and they say solve for y. So if I need to solve for y, I got to get rid of the 5x, get rid of the 5x. So I really have negative 3y equals 9 minus 5x. Divide everything by negative 3. Y would equal this, which could actually reduce. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 5 divided by negative 3 is a positive 5 over 3. So these would be the same. Number 22. A equals 1/2 BH, and it says solve for h. I have a fraction, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. This would be 2a. My 2's cancel. So I'm left with 1 times b h. The 1 is really gone because 1 times anything is itself. If I want to get rid of the b, I divide by b, and that is my answer. Page 145, number 11. Find the value of x so that the figures have the same perimeter. Perimeter means I add up all the sides. If this is x, this is x. If this is x plus 3, this is x plus 3. X would be 4x. 3 plus 3 would be 6. So this turns into 4x plus 6. 14 turns into 28. X minus 4, that would be 2x minus 8. So 28 minus 8 would be 20. So my simplified version so far would be 4x plus 6 equals 2x plus 20. If I go ahead and solve for this, I subtract 2x. 2x plus 6 equals 20 minus 6. I get 2x equals 14. X has to equal 7. And we are done.